In the previous video, we saw how to implement a patrol functionality. In this video, we will add a chase functionality to the enemy AI using a simple state machine. In this scene, we have a player and enemy. If the player comes within the chase range, the enemy will start chasing the player. If the player goes out of the chase range, the enemy will suspicious for some time and then go back to the patrolling. In the enemy controller script, there is an enum called AI state with three states: idle, patrolling, and chasing. The script contains some variables related to patrolling, including the Nav Mesh agent component variable, the current AI state variable. They are variables for chase and suspicion, and finally a variable for player game object. In the start function, we find the player game object by tag wait at point assigned to the wait counter. Suspicious is assigned to the time since the last saw player. In the update function, we calculate enemy distance to player, switch statement, and the expression is current state. In case AI state is idle, then if wait point is greater than 0, decrease the wait point by time.delta time. Else, current state is equal to patrolling and check the chase range. In case AI state is patrolling, then use the same patrol logic that we used in last video and check the chase range. In case the AI state is chasing, then if the enemy distance to the player is greater than the chase range, and then if the time since last saw player is 0, then the current state is equal to idle state. Now the patrolling and chasing functionality is working. In the next video, we will add attacking functionality. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below.